Hi students, welcome to plus 1 computer class. So we already completed our chapter computer network. So we completed all the basic concepts of computer network. In the previous video we discussed the various identification, how we are identifying computer or a network. Using MAC address and IP address we can identify, and after that we discussed the various network topologies that we are using in networks. Then the URL, what is the structure of URL? Uniform resource locator. So the basic terms that we are using in networking and also the terms that we used in networking we already studied. So we completed our chapter computer network. But some of the application level questions already present in your textbook that also you want to discuss. So in this video we are going to revise the chapter computer network. So in your text bag so many questions will be there as an exercise question. In that all the very short answer questions are direct question. You can easily find out the answer by reading the textbook. Then in short answer question, some of the questions are direct questions, but in that there is one question present, question number 13. The concept is this: an international school is planning to connect all computers spread over the distance of 45 meters. Okay, so what is the distance? 45 meter. Okay, an international school is planning to connect all computers spread over distance of 45 meters. Suggest an economical cable type having high speed data transfer which can be used to connect these computers. So the question is, you want to suggest an economical cable, then there is one advantage is present: high speed data transfer. High speed data transfer. So we already know three types of cables: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. So 45 meter you don't want to suggest optical fiber cable because it is used for long distance data communication. Here it is 45 meter. So at that point we can't use optical fiber cable. So the remaining two cables are twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. Twisted pair cable, UTP cable up to 100 meter we can use. Up to 100 meter, and also it is very less cost effectively. Then coaxial cable 185 to 500 meter approximate. So you don't want to use coaxial cable. So we can suggest twisted pair cable. Economical cable, it is very less cost effective. Then STP or twisted pair cable can be divided into two category: UTP and STP. UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair and STP stands for shielded twisted pair. So which one you will suggest for transferring 45 meter? So instead of UTP, the efficient cable is STP, shielded twisted pair. Both we can use UTP and also STP. So which cable you can suggest? Twisted pair cable. So using STP we can transfer data up to 100 meter length. Here it is only 45 meter. So which cable you can suggest? Twisted pair cable. Then which can be used to connect these computer? We can use twisted pair cable for connecting the computer. We can make use of unshielded twisted pair or shielded twisted pair, because by using both these two we can transfer data up to 100. Okay, actually it is an application level question. So if you get a question, three options will be there: coaxial, optical and twisted pair cable. Look at the distance, 45 meter. If it is 45 meter, then you don't want to suggest coaxial or optical because already one cheapest cable is present, that is twisted pair cable. Then next question is, suppose you are the administrator of a network lab in the institution. You are the network administrator. Then your manager directed you to replace 10 Mbps switch. So now in the computer lab or in the network lab they were using 10 Mbps switch. Then your manager asked you to change this 10 Mbps switch into 10 Mbps hub. Okay, 10 Mbps switch to 10 Mbps hub. Ethernet hub for your better service. Will you agree this with this decision, or will you agree this decision? That is a question. Okay, you are agree or not agree? Already which device is present? Now 10 Mbps switch is present that you want to replace with the 10 Mbps hub. It will affect the network traffic, or it will affect the network accuracy or network speed. Is there any possibilities? The question is, you want to give your suggestion. So if you want to give the suggestion, before that you want to identify what is mean by hub and what is mean by switch. Is there any difference between hub and switch? That you want to identify first. Here hub and switch both are used to connect computers to one network, but switch is an intelligence device. Okay, because there is one drawback for hub. What is its drawback? We can't use hub in busy network because it will increases the chance for network traffic. You know why hub is making network traffic. If 5 systems are connected to a hub, if hub receives a message, it will send that message to the all 5 computers. Only one computer will accept that data, all the other 4 computers will discard that data. So it will lead to some kind of network traffic. But switch we can use in busy networks because it will not cause any kinds of network traffic because it is an intelligent device. So it will check the destination address of the message. Only to that particular destination address switch will send the message. So that's why it is known as intelligent device. So we can replace an intelligent device with a drawback device. Is it possible? No. So if your manager is asking, please change switch by hub, then the question is, if we replaced switch by hub, will you agree with this decision? Justify your answer. Are you agree with this decision? That means we are replacing a smart device with normal device. Are you agreeing? In my case, I will not agree. Because switch is an intelligent device, it will reduce the network traffic. If that kind of device is already present in your network lab, then why did you replace it with a normal hub or switch? Okay, is it agree? That means decision means you want to give the decision according to a basic reason. Okay, so you know the difference between hub and switch. Both are used for interconnecting computers. But hub we can replace with the switch because there is one point is we can avoid network traffic by converting or by replacing hub by switch because hub switch is an intelligent device. So we can replace hub with the switch. But if already 10 Mbps switch is present, then we can't replace it with hub because hub will increase the chance of network traffic. So what will be your decision? I will not agree because switch is an intelligence machine that we can't replace with hub because in case of hub it will increase the chance for network traffic. So speciality of switches is we can use switch in busy networks also. So what will be your decision? Okay, you don't want to agree the decision of the manager because it is not good because switch is an intelligence machine, it can't replace with hub. Clear? So whenever that means definitely you can expect application level questions from this chapter. So if you are writing the reason, you want to write valid reasons. Okay, then next one more question is present. You need to transfer a biodata file stored in your computer. Okay, your biodata is already stored in your computer to your friend's computer. That is 10 kilometers away using telephone network. So we are using which network? Telephone network for sending the biodata sending the biodata from your computer to your friend's computer. So we can use any of the internet facility. The distance is already given 10 kilometers away. Then name the device used for this at both end. If we are connecting or if we are accessing internet from telephone, so we need a converter for converting analog to digital and also digital to analog. So which device we are using? Modem. Modem is also known as modulator and demodulator. So the first question, name the device used for this at both end. Your computer and also your friend's computer should have a modem, because definitely there will be a translation will be taking place. Then explain how the file is sent and received inside this device once a connection between the two computers are established. Okay, this is your computer and this is your friend's computer. Then both are using telephone network. So when you are sending the file, definitely it will be in digital format, isn't it? Digital format. Then your modem, in your house also one modem will be there. When the modem receives the digital address, it will convert it into analog format. Okay, analog format. Then suppose this is a modem situated in your friend's home. Then modem will receive that data in analog format. So what will happen? It will convert that analog into digital format. So what is taking place? Analog digital signal is converting to analog first, then analog is again converting it into digital. So that's why in this concept, what is taking place? Modulation and demodulation is taking place when you are transferring a file through modem. Clear? I think it is clear. Then another question. Actually it is an essay question. 5 sub-questions are available. You want to answer all the 5 sub-questions. Then, which are communication channels suitable for the following situation? Then, for setting up a LAN connection. LAN. Then you know what is the speciality of LAN, local area network. We can connect all the computers in a room or in a building. So you don't want to use coaxial or optical cable? No. Which cable we can suggest? Twisted pair cable, because LAN connection means number of computers will be very less. Then distance also a small distance. So we can make use of twisted pair cable, UTP or STP cable. Then transfer of a data from laptop to a mobile phone. Transfer of data from a laptop to a mobile phone. Laptop to mobile phone. We can use data cable. But data cable we didn't discuss in this chapter. So which method we can use? Bluetooth we can use. Bluetooth is using radio waves. Okay, which concept we are using in Bluetooth? Radio waves. Then transfer of data from one mobile phone to another. That also. Bluetooth we can use. Transfer of data from one mobile phone to another means again transferring data. We can make use of Bluetooth. Using Bluetooth we can transfer Bluetooth also using radio waves. Then creating a remote control that can control multiple devices in a home. Remote control is belonging to the category. Which concept we are using in home appliances? We already studied different guided media, unguided medium. In unguided medium we studied about infrared. What is the speciality of infrared waves? Home equipments, remote control devices, codeless mouse and intrusion detectors are some of the devices utilize infrared communication. So, for creating a remote control that can control multiple devices, home appliances, we can use infrared. Okay, then very fast communication between two offices in two different countries. Very fast communication. The concept is communication channel. We can make use of fast cable. Fast cable, there will be one cable that is called optical fiber cable. Okay, then two countries situated in two different countries. We can use optical fiber cable, otherwise satellite. Then communication in a hilly area. In hilly area for data communication we are using microwaves. Line of sight, antenna must be placed in face-to-face manner. Then communication within a city and its vicinity where the cost of cabling is too high. In a city means we can make use of metropolitan area network, and also we can use coaxial cables for connecting this, and also we can use WiMAX also. If it is in city, hundreds of computers we can connect. Okay, so options will be there. We can make use of that option and you can write the answer. Okay, so these are the different application level questions from this chapter. So hope you understood the concept of computer network. Actually, it is a theory chapter. So we completed the chapter and also we revised all the important questions from this chapter. Okay, so from the next video onwards, we will start our next chapter. Next chapter also internet and mobile computing, that we will discuss about. We know what is mean by network. Network will form internet and also mobile computing. Mobile generation and different devices or terms that we are using in mobile, that we will discuss in the next video. Okay then, thank you.